Samsung hit pause, and now it's smashing the fast forward button. After days of silence and rising frustration, One UI 8.5 beta is finally back on track. Samsung has picked up the pace again, and all signs point to the One UI 8.5 Beta 4 update landing very soon for Galaxy S25 users. According to reliable tipster Tarun Vats, Samsung is actively working on a brand new beta build. The company's servers now show a new firmware version, ZZAH, replacing the earlier ZZAF build. This change confirms that development is moving again after nearly a week of delays. And yes, this delay caused confusion. Beta users across 6 countries have been left refreshing the Samsung Members app nonstop. First, Beta 4 was expected last week, then this week, but nothing arrived. Now, with a fresh build appearing on Samsung's servers, Galaxy S25 users can finally breathe easy. If things stay on track, the Beta 4 rollout is highly likely to begin next Monday or Wednesday. This upcoming update isn't just a minor tweak. One UI 8.5 Beta 4 is expected to bring major improvements to system stability and overall reliability. There's also a chance Samsung could sneak in new features, especially as it prepares for the Galaxy S26 series launch. Here's what we already know. February 2026 security patch. Possible Linux kernel upgrade. These changes should noticeably improve performance, smoothness, and day-to-day usability. Meanwhile, Google is already gearing up for Android 17, which is expected to reach Galaxy devices later this year. Samsung is also planning to open the Android 17 beta program around June, making 2026 a huge year for Galaxy software fans. If you're waiting for One UI 8.5 Beta 4, the wait may finally be almost over. Hit like if you're excited for the update, subscribe for the latest Samsung leaks and One UI news, and drop a comment telling me whether you're running the beta or still waiting.